Dear students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. Today we will study from our English language book, Lesson 6, Nouns, Singular and Plural. Today I have explained you the lesson and done some singular and plurals in your English language copy. Do the singular plural in your English language copy and then share it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Students, you all know that today we will study from English language. So, write down class work. Put the date, that is 17 August 2021. Lesson 6, Nouns, Singular and Plural. Read the following sentences. There is a car in the parking. There are many cars on the road. See, it is singular. It is because it is one. And there are many cars on the road. It is plural. Now, I have a cycle. They have many cycles. This boy has one cycle, but these boys have many cycles. I go home by bus. There are 3 buses in my school. Car, cycle, bus, they all are in singular form. Cars, cycles, buses, they all are in plural form. Now, let's see what is singular or plural. Singular noun stands for one person, animal or thing. For one person, animal or thing. Plural noun stands for more than one person, animal or place or thing. Like, this is one pen, so it is plural. And I have pens, means I have 2 pens. It is plural form. If I have one, then it is singular. If more than one, then it will be plural. Right? 1 finger, 2 finger is more than 1 finger. It is plural. 1 is singular and 2 more than 1, 2, 3 or many. Then it will be plural. Now we will study how we will change singular into plural form. We can change a noun from singular to plural in the following ways. By adding s. Dog becomes dogs in the plural form. Hand becomes hands. Week becomes weeks. Apple become apples. Cow become cows. Singular, plural. Leg becomes legs. Sparrow becomes sparrows. Actor become actors. Hen become hens. Pipe become pipes. So here we are adding one more s in the plural form. Now by adding es, words ending s, sh, ch or x are made plural by adding es. Brush will become brushes, box, boxes, church, churches, watch, watches, bus, buses, switch, switches, bench, benches. You are seeing that we are adding es in the plural form. Glass becomes glasses, fox, foxes, ash, asses, bunch, bunches, flash, flashes, match, matches, class, classes. Now we will come to the second page. Dropping y and adding ies. For the nouns ending in y and having no vowel before y, so we will drop the y and ies in the plural form. Baby will become babies, berry will become berries, fairy will become fairies, army becomes armies, candy becomes candies, copy becomes copies, hobby becomes hobbies, city becomes cities, lady ladies, cherry cherries, story stories, spice spice, pony ponies, kitty kitties. Now fourth one. For the nouns ending in dash y and having a vowel before dash y, we add only s to make them plural. In this, you don't have a vowel before y, so we will add ies. In this, before y means we have a vowel like a, o, e, o, like, right? Ray becomes rays, tray becomes trays, toy becomes toys, valley becomes valleys, boy becomes boys, story becomes stories, day becomes days, donkey becomes donkeys, chimney becomes chimneys, and bay becomes bays. Now dropping f or dash fe, adding yes. For the nouns ending in f or dash fe, we drop f or fe, add ves. We will drop this f and we will add ves. Like thief become thieves, half become halves, shell become shells, calf become calves, leaf become leaves, hoof become hoofs, scarf become scarves, elf become elves, life become lives, knife become knives, wife become wives, wolf become wolves. Now, some unusual plurals. Some singular nouns have unusual plural nouns which do not follow any rule. These words do not follow any rules. Child becomes children, man becomes men, goose become geese, mouse become mice, ox become oxen, foot becomes feet, tooth becomes teeth, louse become lives. Now the seventh one is that no change. There are some singular forms which will be the same in the plural form. Some nouns like deer, sheep, fish, lamb, etc. have the same form in singular as well as in plural. Now, eighth one, plurals. Some nouns are always used in plural like scissors, pants, pilers, trousers, tongue, etc. So, dear students, now take out your copy and start writing it in your English language copy. Write down today's date, that is 17th August 2021. Classwork, lesson 6, nouns, singular and plural. Singular, plural. Number 1, apple, apples, cow, cows, brush, brushes, fox, foxes, candy, candies, story, stories, ray, rays, boy, boys. 9, shelf, shells, wife, wives, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, deer, deer, sheep, sheep. So dear students, do it in your copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercises, read the Your homework is read the chapter properly. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.